thing open?
Huh?
Get out of the
Oh, you
light.
can see them all better.
You see it, Molly.
She's up.
Oh, look it. You're going backwards, though. You're working backwards.
She just got a little further away from it.
She's
Getting frustrated.
Take one, Molly.
Poor kid. Poor little girl. Poor little girl. she just got.
She's almost doing it.
Oh. Oh. Did you get it, huh? Did you get it? You got it. You got it. Has she had a cold this weekend? No.
She's gonna get one.
Everybody has it.
Everybody's getting it. Do you have one right now?
I'm just getting over it. I've had it about 3 days, 4 days.
I've had mine for about that one too.
I thought it was allergies. What's the matter? Huh?
It feels like allergies. My nose is itching a lot.
You can't get it that way.
I think mine might be allergies, actually.
I think it is. Because my nose is really